Hello, everybody. Yes, we are tying this head wrap today. Okay, it's quite simple. So let's get started. So you need your rubber band and your pin and the material. That's all. So just get it like this and pleat straight. See, can we see? Just pleat straight down. Everything pleat it down straight. After that, you take I'm still pleating here actually. You pleat, you make sure that you pleat from beginning to the end, just straight like that. Then you take it like that, like you divide it like that. I don't know the measurement I can say, but just watch so that I can get how I folded it. So I took some part, I close it up with the remainder, which I make it shorter than the other one. Okay, sorry for this explanation. I don't really know how to explain that part, but if you watch, you can see what I'm doing. So you just fold it like that and use your rubber band to grab it. And you put it, the remaining one that you have, just pleat it down like this. Okay, pleat it, make it straight like that, place it on your head. You have dropped that one you grab with rubber band, you've dropped it. So the excess that I have left, that is what you are working with now. So take it round your head like that, and the one you dropped, use it to cover it round again, take it round again. And you have where you grabbed with your rubber band, it falls at the front. I don't know. I'm just trying to explain so that you can get it. But please watch this video so that you can actually understand what is going on there. So you place it there. So in this place, you just press that one down, as you have seen that I'm doing. Press it down like that. And this one that remain here, SS, take it one edge underneath that. Take it underneath. Then you take it up to secure that one. Huh? Hope I tried in explaining this thing. Just focus your eyes. Take your time and just watch, right? So take it and you use your office pin to pin down. Okay? Pin it down, get it secured, right? So okay, I will also advise that when you want to tie this head wrap, if you don't have anything to design it to cover the rubber band at the front, please use the color of your fabric for the rubber band. So after you have done that, then you come to the excess one, you adjust it to form this. Okay, adjust it to form this, then you grab it at the edge with your office pin as well, and it stand like this. Okay, so that's what you have, and you come back to this. You just put your hand at the middle and you let the whole show like a ring, right? So that's just the magic there. It's not magic. It's not actually magic. It's what I just came up with. So just do like that, and this is what we have here, right? Hope you can get this explanation. Watch, focus your eyes so that you can understand. You can watch again. So I added that to cover up my rubber band since it's not the same color with my fabric, so that rubber band will not disfigure it. So that's just it, guys.